हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कैसे हैं आप सब? गुड इवनिंग। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। ये बहुत अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन मिला मुझे अभी। पहली बार टेलीविजन पे आने वाला हूँ, थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ, तो अगर कुछ गलती हो गई आज तो माफ कर देना। शुरुआत करते हैं। पहली बात तो मैं कहना चाहूंगा, यस आई एम द होस्ट ऑफ खतरों के खिलाड़ी। जी हाँ, मैं ही हूँ खतरों के खिलाड़ी का नया होस्ट। टाटा मोटर्स प्रेजेंट्स खतरों के खिलाड़ी, कभी कीड़ा कभी पीड़ा, इस बार अर्जेंटीना में। अब आप सबका दूसरा सवाल जो आप जरूर पूछना चाहेंगे कि मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं। बहुत करेक्ट सवाल है। फैक्ट है कि मुझे मजा आता है कुछ अलग करने में, कुछ नया करने में, कुछ टेढ़ा करने में। और ये जो इस शो में मैं करने वाला हूं, वो शायद मैं 10-15 पिक्चरें करता तो कुल मिला के 3-4 साल में ये सब करने का मौका मिलता, जो मुझे इस एक शो में एक साथ करने का मौका मिलेगा। अब मैं क्या करूंगा वो तो खैर आपको नहीं बताऊंगा, वो तो आपको शो देखना ही पड़ेगा। लेकिन उसके साथ साथ इस वक्त जिनके साथ मैं ये सब करूंगा उन्हें मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करने जा रहा हूं। तो आर यू गाइस रेडी टू से हेलो टू द खिलाड़ीज ऑफ खतरों के खिलाड़ी फॉर दिस न्यू सीजन? शो देखिए, अगर आप सब बता देंगे इस वक्त, if I tell you everything now, then I think the intrigue and mystery goes away.
You know the word कीड़ा came because of Arjun. Let me tell you. They said इसमें जितना कीड़ा है किसी में नहीं है, इसका टैगलाइन बना दो।
तो जब डर करेगी पीड़ा तो मैं करूंगा थोड़ा सा कीड़ा, पर आपको अभी इस वक्त बताना नहीं चाहूंगा। I don't want to give it away only because it's still very early. Let's go there. Let's start shooting. I'm sure you guys will automatically start coming to know वहाँ पे क्या क्या हो रहा है। हमसे पहले तो आप ही को पता लगता है वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है।
अर्जुन 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 राइट यार।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो कुमार से चोपड़ा, चोपड़ा से शेट्टी, अब कपूर। Proud moment for you, Arjun?
Of course, to get to carry a legacy forward of a franchise. I think Khatron Ke Khiladi has run. This is the seventh season. To be able to be part of such a fantastic legacy of having Akshay Kumar, Priyanka Chopra and Rohit Shetty, I'm very, very honored to be able to continue it forward with the same team who have made sure that it's been doing so very well for the last few years.
So are you ready for all the stories that are going to come on floor, that Arjun Kapoor is replacing Rohit Shetty, Priyanka Chopra, or it is Akshay Kumar?
I hate the word replacing because, like I said, I feel it's a continuation. Every actor has a journey. Every host has a journey as well. The show must go on, as it's always said. So this show is also going on, and I'm just continuing it forward.
Arjun, what is your inspiration to come into television?
मेरा इंस्पिरेशन नहीं था कि इस सवाल का जवाब दे सकूं, मैं बस इसीलिए आया हूं टेलीविजन पे। चलो, I'll be very, very honest. TV is a fantastic medium. We as actors do films that reach a certain amount of people. We take years to maybe touch and connect with genuinely the population of people living in each and every part of not only the country today, worldwide, the Indian diaspora, as well as people across the world who enjoy Indian movies as well. Television allows me as a young actor to connect with that audience that I genuinely believe उन्होंने आज तक शायद मेरी सारी फिल्में नहीं देखी, मेरा काम नहीं देखा होगा, एक पिक्चर देखी होगी या 2 पिक्चर देखी होगी। टेलीविजन के द्वारा मैं उनके घर तक पहुंच सकता हूँ। टेलीविजन के द्वारा मैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी का एक एस्पेक्ट उन्हें दिखा सकता हूँ, जो शायद उन्होंने फिल्में देखने की वजह से शायद they might have not felt that I have a personality that is funny, that is quirky, because I've done some intense films. I've done a film like Finding Fanny that might not be mass friendly in that sense. So I do want to connect with each and every person, and at the end of the day, I want to entertain people. And I think TV is a fantastic medium. And I realized that when I did IFA, that was my first genuine blockbuster TV event that I did, where I realized the feedback you get is spontaneous. आप जब एक फिल्म करते हो, आप साल भर शायद इतनी मेहनत करते हो, उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं जाके आप लोगों से मिलते हो जिन्होंने देखी नहीं देखी. टीवी एक ऐसा मीडियम है जहाँ पे द इम्पैक्ट एंड द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी क्विक. And I really enjoyed it. And for me, this show made complete sense. At the end of the day, it's very important. I don't feel I'm in that position today to sit and maybe judge yet. I'm very young. मैं सिर्फ 3 साल बड़ा हूँ इंडस्ट्री में देखा जाए तो I'm not in that position to be sitting across and only giving my opinion. I feel this show allows me to be part of them. I want to be part of being able to celebrate this show. I want to be one with the contestants. I want to do fun stuff. I want to be front-footed. I want to enjoy myself. And it's the perfect show for me to be able to do that. And that's why I chose Khatron Ke Khiladi for my first ever television debut.
Arjun,
Arjun,
if you look at all the others who've hosted the show,
Kahan?
if you look at all the others who've hosted the show, they have had a trademark style of hosting it. When you are doing it, what is the new element that you want to bring on the show?
यार मैं तुझे बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा सच में मुझे नहीं पता. I'm going to discover myself. See, it is my debut. I feel like I'm doing Ishaq Zadeh again. Yes, I have a positioning where I've done some work and come, so there is an expectation. I hope I fulfill it, and I know I will enjoy myself first. I don't have a plan. I want to genuinely just go there and play it by ear. I think मैं ज़्यादा manipulate और plan करके नहीं जाना चाहता कि मेरी ऐसी होनी चाहिए positioning और मैं ये करूँगा मैं वो करूँगा. I'm young. I want to have fun. I want to enjoy myself. And like I said, I want to connect with these guys also because I feel it's a long journey ahead, and I would like. I love you too, Jay. हाँ, नहीं माही को कुछ बोल रहा था. ठीक है, never mind. Yeah, so I've not put a plan in place what I'm going to do and not do, and I'm sure when I discover it, it'll come out in the show as well. It's a very big production, like he said, it's a big scale production. At the end of the day, it's not only about me, it's about them. I'm the sutradhar for you to see what they are capable of. It's not about only me and what I'm going to be doing. It's a lot to do with all of us together.
Mr. Raj Nayak. So you've been launching a lot of shows lately. So is there any particular content strategy for that?
I'm paid to launch shows.
So no strategy as of now that you're following.
Obviously, we are following a strategy. Otherwise, we won't be running a channel. I won't be in the job.
You think if he gives his strategy away, won't other people come to know about it? It won't be beneficial.
But the fact is, these are some shows like whether it's Big Boss, Khatron Ke Khiladi, India's Got Talent, Jal Dikhla Ja. These are shows that we've been doing year on year. It's not that we are doing it first time. This time probably our scheduling has taken a little bit of, we've tweaked it a bit to come a little earlier. And it also was to do with Arjun. Let me tell you, we were very keen, we wanted Arjun. And I must thank him. I have not done this before, but I must thank you. He postponed the shoot of his movie for us. You know, for us it's a big thing. And we went back and forth for almost a month trying to adjust his dates, but finally he did it. And so these were some of the things that were there. But for us, it's a question of our calendar, our schedule, our FPC, what fits in at what time.
My question is to Mr. Raj Nayak. Okay, you're getting all the big players, auto giants as sponsors on board. First Maruti Suzuki and now Tata Motors. So what's your bait to catch all the biggies?
I have no bait. Okay. I go with the, what do you say, Kathora saying, जो सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा देता है, उसको वो sponsor बनता है. And they all come back to us because we give value for money. One of the things of Colors is every sponsor who comes on Colors once doesn't leave us. And that's the beauty about the channel.
And every actor that comes on Colors also does
Don't
not
leave.
leave.